Juu tumeenda hasara kubwa. Kwa sasa mimi nilikuwa mtu mwenye alikuwa na kazi yake, but for now sina. Nimeenda hasara kubwa, sijui nitasimama aje tena.
Gavana wa Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata na MCA wa ward ya Township Charles Masigo Kang'ata akiranira kumahura njeki merugamie ringi.
As a county, we shall dip into our emergency fund and support the traders who have been impacted. So far we have 5, those who have officially been registered as having been impacted by this. The compensation is small. It may not fully compensate their loss. It's just a token of county saying sorry.
Makiuga kurekwirwo aria maratongoragia ciiko ici cia magigi ni kurehwo no ti andu a Murang'a. Kang'ata ugite ni uru muno kuona thirikari ya county ikoretwo ikihuthira mamilioni ma mbeca na guthondeka matauni no wira ucio wothe ugacoka kurira thi riria kwina mirurungano.
Tiari tukiwa na demonstrations zingine kama hizo, we make sure that will never happen again in this town. And we shall make sure we shall call all the business people when they see something which is unusual wakati kuna demonstration, tunaungana pamoja, tusiangalie mwenzako kama duka ya mwenzako ikivunjwa pale na sisi tunasimama hivi.
Irifotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kenothia.
Nega muno Victor Kenothia ndio wa ripoti iyo yaku na nigora tabatukiriro hani tugicokeria niko kumenyithia ati ngwataniro ya mawakiri atumia guku bururi-ini yo FIDA na manyitanire na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia atumia ni marahinyiriria thirikari ya nirire ngero cia atumia na airetu ta thina ugomeire bururi. Katabatukiriro tugicokeria niko kumenyithia icio iria tuharirio na marikto mohoro gitwo wa Ngui wa Mwangi no ni twamba twaikiria hanini.
Ndaguthaitha soka ni undu wa kambuni waga gucoka ndio tukwiruta tiri mainirire
akoro wina thina ri wina mbeca cia cira
twithikiririe igue ni king'ori fiuraria hati undu ngimwiciragie no mbeca tu
wena murenda kwendia mugundu ucio cokerie muru wa nyukwa ucio tari nginya gitio
Runo hote kwegera skiza tune ya rwimbo ruu rwetagwo kaundu kega ni undu muhuthu uguthie thimu-ini yaku uhihinye *860*287# Inooro nikuo mucii wa aini othe.
Kioria ni atiriri
uria tubataire gukorwo tukiria
wa guthie thibitari
kuremwo ni gwikondo
enewe mwiroreri ati guku mucii uyu oro muthenya ni cigamaine na ugima mwega wa mwiri
ya tuteithĩtie muno na horo wa githomo kiu tanirira na thina ucio wa cukari
igikuhe muonere oro ndumwe hihi taringi na ndurumeni tofauti igemaine na ugima mwega waku wa mwiri
bongerakara badeka atbara kuri ngoro urana ihenya ugerera blood pressure
kurehagira ataramu na arigitani ngurani
njirere ya njega ya kurigitana guthinja na kuruta fibroid
igegoria ina ti kuga rirutwo
reke tucokerere irio citu cia kemerera. Ugima mwega wa mwiri ni kirathimo na ni utonga utangigurika.
Niwega muno ni undu wa guthi na mbere guikarania thio ngwataniro ya mawakiri atumia bururi-ini ni FIDA manyitanire na ikundi cia gutetera ihoto cia atumia ni marahinyiriria thirikari yanirire ngero cia atumia na airetu ta thina ugomeire bururi. Ndomiriri-ini yao marauga ati riboti itanyihiire 8 cia atumia kuragwo ni cirandikithirio oro kiumia kana irandikithio o kiumia makiuga ati ihinda rikinyu president ekirire ukinyaniria wa mendekithia ma riboti yerika kurutwo ni kamiti ya mwanya iria amurite ya kurora bara ya iria itungagio atumia ni arume. Wangui wa Mwangi ni mwarikiti wa mohoro na rino horo cio makiria.
matongoretio nĩ ngwatanĩro ya atumia na mawakiri bũrũri-inĩ. Ikundi cia gũtetera ihoto cia atumia bũrũri-inĩ irauga ngero cia atumia na airĩtu kũragwo nĩ cingĩhĩte makĩria ũndũ itangĩthiĩ na mbere gũkirĩrwo.
Femicide and violence against women and girls in Kenya has reached a crisis level and requires immediate action from the national and from national interventions. We cannot stand by and watch as women and girls continue to suffer such violence. We are deeply troubled by the daily reports of women being killed in very horrific ways in our country. Some have been assaulted, some have been murdered, some attacked with corrosive chemicals, others dismembered, and some bodies discarded without dignity.
Nĩ ciĩko marauga ikoretwo igĩtwarithio nĩ andũ marĩ na ũiguano wa maũndũ ma ndũgũ cia wendo marĩ endwa ao na kana athuri ao, makiuga riboti ironania atumia 8 nĩ marandĩkithio gũkorwo moragĩtwo harĩ kiumia.
At FIDA Kenya, 35 out of 70 weekly cases reported in 2026 across our 3 offices, that is in Nairobi, Kisumu, and Mombasa, are directly linked to physical and sexual gender-based violence by intimate partners. Reports from Amnesty Kenya International, that is in April 2026, show that at least 8 femicide cases are reported each week.
25% of femicides that we see in Kenya are actually intimate partner femicides. They are women killed by their partners. They are women in a relationship. Airbnbs don't kill young women. It is people. The blame of the killing should lie on the perpetrator.
Marendekithia ciĩko ici cia atumia na airĩtu kũragwo cianĩrĩrwo ta thĩna ũgũmĩire bũrũri na gwĩkĩrĩrwo ũkinyanĩria wa mendekithia ma riboti ĩrĩa ĩrĩga kũrutwo nĩ kamĩtĩ ĩrĩa president amũrĩte ya kũrora mbara iria itũngagio atumia kana arume.
We are deeply concerned that the president has not acted on the group's key recommendation, such as declaring GBV and femicide a national crisis, even as the numbers continue to rise. Also recognize the many recommendations from the working group, along with strategic framework for the implementation, which includes and responsible state agencies.
In most cases, victims already reported abuse, shared their fears, or asked for help from family, police, or community leaders, but were ignored or sent to other district methods. There is still a lot of underreporting, and femicide is not recognized as a crime.
mama wa nyumba